Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my very first video, and I'm excited to start this journey with all of you. This channel is dedicated to SAP. If you're a beginner, these videos will help you build a strong foundation. If you're already familiar with today's topic, you can skip this video or continue and watch the upcoming advanced content. From today onwards, I'll be regularly uploading videos on SAP concepts, configuration, real-time scenarios, interview questions, and practical tips to help you learn and grow. Now, let's begin with our first topic, the SAP Navigation Screen, also called the initial screen. In this video, we'll understand its features and how to use it effectively. In this topic, we will cover 7 important subtopics. 1. What is the menu bar? 2. What is the standard toolbar? 3. What is the command field? 4. What is the title bar? 5. What is the application toolbar? 6. What is the status bar? 7. What is the SAP Easy Access screen? Let's understand each of these one by one with practical examples. Let's take a look at the top of this SAP screen. You'll see options such as Menu, Edit, Favorites, Extras, System, and Help. These options are part of the menu bar. Below the menu bar, you'll see a row of icons and buttons. This is called the standard toolbar. The standard toolbar contains commonly used buttons, such as Enter, Save, Back, Exit, Cancel, Print, Find, Option and other frequently used functions. These buttons help users perform common tasks quickly and efficiently while working in SAP. In the standard toolbar, you'll find a rectangular box called the command field, also known as the command box. We use this command field to enter a T-code, transaction code. For example, let's enter MM60, which is used to display the material list. Inside of command field, you'll see a green round button called the execute button. You can click this button or simply press the enter key. Once you execute the T-code, the MM60 screen is open. On this screen, the top section is called the title bar. It displays the name of the current transaction or screen, such as material list. Below the title bar, you'll find the application toolbar. This toolbar contains several buttons that help you perform common tasks quickly, such as execute, get variant, and other functions. Now, click the execute button. A new screen will open, displaying the list of materials. On this new screen, you'll see another application toolbar with additional options. Depending on the transaction, it may include buttons such as Details, Sort in Ascending Order, Sort in Descending Order, Set Filter, Totals, and many other functions to help you view and analyze the data more efficiently. If you find this video helpful, please support the channel by liking the video, sharing it with others, and subscribing. Your support will motivate me to create more valuable SAP content for everyone. Thank you for watching.